I'm curious to ask you, how would you navigate or mend personal relationships if you're suffering from mental health issues? For example, people that you might have hurt during your past when you're having an episode. Like, how do you overcome that sense of guilt and shame? And moving forwards as well, how do you potentially get close and overcome the fear of hurting additional people?
Yeah, that those are such great questions. I think one important thing, and Ravi alluded to it, is it's never too late. It's never too late to send a quick email or a text message and say, "Hey, I just wanted to say I'm sorry for some of the things that transpired between us. I've done some work on myself. I've learned some things about myself. I don't expect you to want to engage on it, but to the extent that you're interested in talking, I'd love to." And you might even give some headlines. Hey, I was recently diagnosed with bipolar 1, and I wanted to share that with you, and I wanted to apologize for some things that happened. I'm not trying to blame my behavior on that, but I want to let you know I'm in touch with it. I want to be accountable. And if you ever wanted to talk again about that, then I'd be delighted to. And that'll typically melt someone's heart, right? An apology plus a disclosure plus an invitation to talk. And they may not want to talk right away, but you'll change the temperature in the water. In terms of fear of hurting people in the future, for me, it's been about like, I got to be on top of my shit. You know what I mean? Like taking medication every day to the milligram, 2 sessions with my psychiatrist every week, like clockwork. And you got to believe I don't want to some weeks. Tracking my sleep with a Fitbit, sending a screenshot of the sleep report, I call it, to my mom, my sister, my wife, and my doctor every day, because sleep and bipolar, sleep and mood for all of us actually is so correlated. And then recognizing that kind of in Maslow's hierarchy of Andy's mental health, those are the 3 pillars: therapy, medication, and sleep. And then saying like, okay, let me go beyond now. How do I not engage in, workism, workaholism? How do I make space to spend 24 hours off my smartphone every week? Can I get 15 minutes of sunlight a day, which is a great hack? I'm sorry, I can't do the cold showers. It's too cold. I just want a hot shower, guys. But trying to take the same steps that we would with a physical ailment of doing the things, and over time developing the confidence and saying like, you know what, I'm gonna still cause interpersonal harm, but let it be for no, let it not be because of this. Let it not be for the thing that we know that we're dealing with it. Let it be for the unknowns, the unknown unknowns, rather than the known things.